Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Adinda Kurnia Saraswati. I'm a mechanical engineering student in Diponegoro University, 2018. With my pleasure, in this kind of opportunity, I'd like to share about my task realizing to the midterm test. I'm gonna tell about stainless steel as an application to make cooking utensils using stainless steel AISI 304 and 316L. So ladies and gentlemen, before I'm going and continuing to my presentation, I'd like to share about the table contents that I'm going to present. So the first table contents is totally about the introduction, and then the second is about frying pan contained materials, and then the third is about steps to make frying pan. Fourth is about stainless steel as a material contains to make frying pan. Also, there are materials properties, both of mechanical and also physical materials properties, and then there are advantages, also disadvantages, and the last is about closement. So the first slide I would tell about, do you see about the picture showed in the slide? What do you think about it? Yeah, this is a frying pan. So what is the correlation between frying pan and the research we would like to discuss about? Cause today, as we know, we would like to bring Calypso frying pan with the material stainless steel AISI 304 and AISI 316. Because as we know that frying pan is one of the cooking utensils which may help us for cooking in daily needed. So, continuing about our discussion, the next slide, let us first knowing why is always producers in manufacturing company always using stainless steel as a cooking utensils, because as we know that stainless steel has a rustless properties, and then it has sparkling luxury that gives a classic impression, and then we know that it is the best materials used, and then in the term of maintenance, we know that stainless steel material is also easy to clean up because it has an even texture and it's not porous and it's very strong. So we know that there are specification we have to know, and we are steps to make the biggest stainless steel frying pan for making brown sugar. They are first, they are bottom diameter, top diameter, also height. In bottom diameter, there is 80 centimeters, and then top diameter in 125 centimeters. Also in the height is in 95 centimeters. Also, we know that the bottom thickness part in the stainless steel 316L is 6 millimeters, and the top thickness part in 304 stainless steel is 3 millimeters, and we know that its capacitic function is used to make brown sugar with 500 kilogram capacities, and the weight is only 80 until 90 kilograms. So we know that the simple ways or the simple steps to make the biggest frying pan, they are first is forging stainless steels into the trim using a crawl machine, and then welding the stainless steel and form it, and also try to grade it and weld it again until 3 times repeating inside and 6 times repeating outside. We know that because of there are 8 pictures shown in a slide. It means that there are too much steps that we have to know more, that it will be good if we knowing more to the application and its production. So for your information guys, as we know that layering in Pertamina used for assist the material for avoiding the broken down of its frying pan. So that's all about the steps. Also the specification contains material in frying pan using stainless steel. We also have to know more about the stainless steel itself. What is the stainless steel? Yeah, as we know that stainless steel is an iron compound containing at least 10.5% chromium to prevent corrosion, rusting of metal. Its composition forms a protective layer or anti-corrosion protective layer, which is the result of oxygen oxidation to chrome that occurs spontaneously. Next, continuing about to know the contents of stainless steel material. We know stainless steel containing a minimum of 10.5% chromium, and then it also contains small amounts of stainless steel, more than 30% chromium, or less than 50% ferrous, and then the resistance of less stainless steel to high oxidation in air at ambient temperatures is usually achieved due to the addition at least 13% weight of chrome. So that's all about the contents material in stainless steel, both of AISI 304 and AISI 316. Also, we know that there are both of mechanical and also physical properties contained in stainless steel using for making frying pan. Uh, there are they are first in physical properties, that is, it has hard and strong substance, and then for the second is about it is not good as a conductor but of heat and electricity side, and then it has high industrial strength. It means that it can be easily shaped or bent or drowned in the form of wires, and it is has more varieties of stainless steel, have magnetic permeability. It means that they are very attracted to the magnets, and etc. So moving to the mechanical properties, we know that there are tensile strength, yield strength, elongation, hardness, and based on the measurement before. First is tensile strength, contains in stainless steel. There is 646 megapascal, and then for the yield strength 270 megapascal, and there is elongation is 50%, and the last is about the hardness, only 82 HRB. So that's all about the properties, but the properties in stainless steel, but of AISI 304 or AISI 316. So continuing about the advantages, also disadvantages using stainless steel for making the cooking utensils, of course for making the biggest frying pan. They are, first is about the advantages that we will get from its tools. First is, as we know that it is very durable. It means that you don't need to buy more again similar cookware and that will completely damage. And then we know that as physically very strong, there are no pores. Also, it's not easy to dent, crack, and or leak. It has multifunctional terms, and then easy to care for and clean. Use only soapy water and still look like luxury. And we know that disadvantages. We know that it is not good as a conductor of its heating, and then we know that the price of stainless steel is too much expensive, and if we expose to to high temperatures, it will be blackened, and then if we expose to salt water continuously, it will damage cooking utensils moreover. So ladies and gentlemen, after knowing also explaining about the content materials using stainless steel as to make the biggest frying pan, we know that there are too much the harmful or disadvantages and also advantages by using it. So that's all about my presentation that I can tell to all of you. I'm so sorry if there are too much mistaken word or mistaken problem. So thank you for your kindly attention. See you bye on the next discussion, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.